One of the most common questions I get is how often should I water? How much should I water? When should I water? When should I not water? There's a lot of ways to sort of take a guess when something needs to be, when a plant needs to be watered. The best thing you can do, though, in the long term sense, is buy one of these. And this is a soil moisture reader, aka a hygrometer. You can get on Amazon for 10 to 15 bucks. Real easy, works like a cooking thermometer. All you do, you stick it in the soil here, kind of put it all the way at the bottom. You'll notice on here that there's a dial. There's some other things for pH and light, but that middle set of numbers is what we're looking at. You'll see it goes all the way from dry, that red area, to wet, the blue area. You'll also notice that slowly going downwards. That's as it's starting to adjust once the soil's settling. And we can see that this Bucharnia recurvata, even though the soil's still pretty, it's very dry, just crumbles in my hand, we can still see that there's actually a little bit of moisture in there. Enough that it needs to be watered. It's in that red area, but maybe not as much as we thought. Another example is this Dracaena anglenesis, right? You can see that even though this soil, just as dry as the other one, it's getting a reading. It's still pretty moist. It might go down here to 4 in a second. But with this being a succulent, we don't want to water this at all. We don't want to water this until it's maybe a 1 or a 2. So even though the soil feels the same on top, this one we want to water, this one we don't. And that's the importance of a soil moisture reader. You can't get anything more accurate than this. I mean, you could just stick your hand to the bottom of the pot, but that's a little dirty. So 10, 15 bucks, best investment you'll make. And again, works exactly like a cooking thermometer.